Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cyan. Today I am back at the studio. That's because I'm going to be working on a sculptural project today. I'm super excited. I'm going to be taking you guys along for the ride and showing you the process from beginning to end of how I make my projects. It's currently really cold, so we've got this heater going. So if you can see, I know the lines are pretty faint. I uploaded the file into Illustrator. If you export this as a DXF file, then the Aspire program can read that and create a cuttable CNC file that we can upload into the machine. So now we have that ready to go, and we also have a legend. So this is the legend that has all of the files numbered, so all the little pieces, we know where they go, and then where they overlap. Alright, hey y'all, so I finally finished cutting out and sanding all of the pieces. This is what is left over of the wooden panel. There's some more, so I have some leftover wood that I can make other things with. This is what they look like. I am so excited. We have just a couple more that we do need to put, so I put a new plate up there and loaded the file. Just 3 more, and then the whole sculptural piece is complete. Now that all of the pieces are cut and sanded and ready to go, that is all that we have time for today, and I'll come back again next week to finish everything off and put the whole thing together. I'm super looking forward to it and super happy that the CNC machine was working so well and so fast to get everything cut before it was time to go. So very happy with today. Hello everyone! Yay! Welcome to my, I already did this intro. Hold on. Hi there! So it's day 2. We are back at the studio. We can check out all of the cut pieces are right here. And now our first step of the day is to make the connectors. So we have to decide how big we want those circles to be. Alright, let's decide what size things we want. Oh, let me bring a piece down. Dit zijn de 2 kleinste. Zo kunnen we zien hoe dat eruit zal zien. Dit is dan misschien een beetje groot. Die?
Ja.
En hoe ziet dat eruit op deze?
Heel klein nog zelf.
Dat is toch goed?
Lijkt me ook goed.
Lijkt me ook goed. Alright, so we finished cutting out all the little circles. Thank you, this machine, for making our life much easier. Thank you. Now we're going to put everything together. Hold on, let me show you. This is going to turn into the final product. I'm so excited. Excited, Opa?
Me too.
Basically, here's the order. We have our glue right here. This side will be covered with glue. Bam. Stick it in. Then staple, bam, 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 and then glue over top of it, and then bam, next piece. And then we start the process over again. All right, so we're trying to figure out what the order is of all these things, and if you can see here, it's really starting to resemble the tree stem look. You're kind of seeing what the shape is looking like. Isn't that cool? And then we also have this PDF file on my phone where I can look at where everything overlaps. So each panel is numbered, and then we can just see how these are going to be stuck together. All right, the very first piece is coming together. Alright, quick update y'all. We are now here, so this is how it looks like. We're about 2/3 of the way there. These pieces still need to go in, those need to still go in, and these are 2 branches that kind of are their own thing. So once we finish with these, then we've got only branches left, and then we're done. So I'm currently standing on top of the table that we were working on, because we're at the final stretch. And check out the inside. When the branches break off, we kind of had to come up with a way to have it grow out of the middle stem so that it could extend out into the one branch. I think it looks really, really cool. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put this one on now. All right, this is one of our last pieces finally going on. You can see how much taller this whole structure has become. And now, yeah, I'm gonna glue this. Y'all, guess what? The whole structure is together. Oh my goodness, it's all there. Every single piece that we used or every CNC cut piece that we had is now put together, and now we just have to do some final touches, which are having the stems on the inside kind of grow out so that these bigger pieces are supported. All right. Woo! All right, everyone, thank you so much for joining me at the studio today. As you can see, I am super happy because the sculpture is done. We just need to let it dry for a little bit. I'm really, really happy that I got to show you what the whole process looked like from start to end. As you can see, it took 2 days in the studio, and now we're finished. We're just gonna let it dry, and then the next time you see it, it'll be in its final full form. I hope you all enjoyed joining me on this journey. It was really, really fun. If you want to see more videos like this, then let me know in the comments below, and like this video, because that's the easiest and fastest way to let me know that you liked it. And if you want to stick around for more videos, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye.